Hello, myself Lakshuman. Today we are going to discuss the Java new topic, that is memory management or memory allocation in Java. In Java, the memory present in a JVM, there are five memory slot or area in Java. Number one, method area, or it is also called as a class level area. Number two, heap area. Number three, stack area. Number 4, PC register. Number 5, native memory or native area. At the level of programmer level, there are only 3 memories are useful. Number 1, memory area, heap area and stack area. The another two, that is PC register and native memory, is not discussed at programmer level. So now let's move forward, discuss the first memory area, that is method area, or it is also called as a class level area. In this class level area, to store the data related with this class and static variable stored in a method area. Why the static variable stored in a method area? As we know that static variable is a it is used for the memory management. Why? Because it is a class level. It is stored in a class area. It is stored in a method area. Then every method present in a class. Suppose method one, the several method present in a class. Then this every method share the memory of the class. That's why one variable stored in a class level area, it is shared among all the methods. That's why it is used for the memory management. The second area is heap area. In this heap area, the data related with the object and the instance variable stored in a heap area. The instance variable is belongs to the class, and each and every instance the value are changed. That's why it is stored in a heap, as well as it is change the value. That's why it is stored in a heap area. Number 3, stack area. The stack area, the data, the local variable stored in a stack, and the each and in JVM, the each thread is allocate a separate memory in a stack area and local variable stored in a stack. The local variable is accessed within the method or within the curly brace. That's why it is a safe data. That's why it is stored in a stack area. In JVM, there is only one method area and there is only one heap area. But in case of the stack, each and every thread is allocated a separate runtime stack memory. That's why it is what it is called as stack area is a thread shape, but heap and method area is not a thread shape. This is analyzed with the example. Suppose in JVM there are the 10 thread is there, and each and every thread is share the common memory between the stack area heap area and method area. That's why it is share the common memory to all the threads. Then it is not good for the programmer that it is share the memory to all the threads then it is not a data present in a heap, and method area is not a thread shape, but separate memory allocated in a thread, separate memory allocated in a stack. That's why it is a thread shape, because each and every thread is allocated a separate memory in a stack. Then it is a thread shape. Then next, suppose we discuss one example regarding with the heap and stack memory area. Suppose one local variable int a is equal to 10, suppose value of the local variable. This local variable store in a stack memory. Then this is a shape data. Suppose we create a one object. Suppose test a is equal to new test, curly brace. The a is a reference variable, and this right side part is a constructor or object creation part. This reference variable is stored in a stack, but the object create is store object created for the test is stored in a uh, heap area, because of each and every object created in a JVM is stored in a heap area. That's why reference variable stored in a reference variable stored in a stack memory, but object is stored in a heap memory. The reference variable is point to the reference variable is point to the object, then object is stored in a heap memory. The conclusion of this video is the method area, that is class level memory, is allocated to store the class level data and static variable. Heap memory or heap area is used to store the object of each and every class, or it is called as a program. And in heap memory we store the instance variable, and the stack is used to store the local variable, and each and every thread is gives the separate memory in a stack. That's why it is a thread shape. This is all about the memory allocation in a Java. Thank you.